One of Bemidji's biggest summer events, the Lake Bemidji Dragon Boat Festival, kicked off earlier today with the 27th annual Taco Fest fundraiser for the United Way. Sanford Health and Lucan's Village Foods have been headlining the fundraiser for the past several years. Hundreds of people lined up throughout the day to get fry bread tacos, cookies, and drinks. All the proceeds will support the United Way of Bemidji area. More than 60 volunteers gathered from a mix of Sanford employees, United Way volunteers, or community members who just wanted to lend a helping hand.
We have all kinds of different ways that we support the United Way, but this is really the core fundraiser. And we all look forward to it because it's like the day on our calendar that we get to be outside and hang out and see everybody from the community. It's a collaborative event where we get to talk. You just get to see everybody, your neighbors and people you work with. And so I think that's what everybody looks forward to.
Along with Sanford Health, the United Way of Bemidji area has 5 other businesses that dedicate voluntary payroll deductions and hold fundraisers like the Taco Fest. And today's event supports the United Way's work in a major fashion by contributing to the group's annual campaign.
It's amazing. It again shows the magic of Bemidji in our community and how people rally together to help. It's a really big fundraiser for the United Way, raising around $25,000 every year. So we have about 3,000 tacos that go out the door, or fry bread anyways. So it's a big day.
Last year the event got rained out, but this year it saw record numbers of tacos sold and donations raised.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.